All the time I was wrong and wasting the time. Until I find this trick. How to edit for the beat. This one thing made my editing fast as beast. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Name the title as Untitled 99999. Make the endpoint of the clips you want to use. And drag them into the timeline. But the main part is not finding the perfect clip. It is finding the perfect music. After finding the perfect music, drag into the timeline. The shortcut for end of the playhead is Cmd+Shft and this key and hit the clip for the beats. Tucky, 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 tucky. That's how you got the edited video. If you are using Resolve Studio version, you can enable the beat marker by simply enabling the show music beats. This is how you can edit like goddamn pro. Save it. You'll need it next time. If you want to know how I use my mobile as a monitor for DaVinci Resolve, come on, DaVinci monitor. I'll do in next video. Bye.